Traffic tonight. In fact, you may have noticed some traffic backups near that Wheeler Road exit off Bobby Jones due to lane closures. Fox 54's Lucy Birch looking into this for us. She spoke with Augusta's Traffic and Engineering Department, Lucy, on what they're doing and when the construction will be finished.
The turning lanes at the intersection of Wheeler Road and Bobby Jones Expressway are closed. Augusta Traffic and Engineering tell me they plan to make drainage improvements and are tearing down the Augusta Exchange sign to create a new right turning lane.
Hopefully that'll move traffic through this intersection a little faster than it does today and help just with traffic flow and some safety issues.
Some people that work in the Augusta Exchange next to the intersection say traffic has always been an issue, but ever since the construction has started, traffic has become worse.
It impacts it a whole heck of a lot because I stay 45 minutes away from here. I have to drive that way to get home, and it is incredibly congested, like around 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's like you're living in Atlanta.
John Ushery, Augusta's Director of Traffic Engineering, says the project is expected to take 8 to 12 months to complete, which has some residents shocked.
What?
However, Ushery says the city hopes for a quicker turnaround.
If we have good weather, hopefully maybe they can finish even sooner.
Ussery says there may be more traffic on the road due to the holiday weekend. He says be patient and give yourself some time to get to your destination. Live in the studio, I'm Lucy Birch for Fox 54.